Getting a lot of attention is every guy's dream. And what can be better than getting attention from the girl you love? Are you uncertain of how to grab her attention? Does she like you, but not to the extent where she'd go crazy for you? Are you dying to get into a relationship with her, but the two of you are pretty formal with each other? Do you want her to drop the barriers? Well, if you can relate to these questions, then I have good news for you. In this video, I will be telling you 10 exact ways to make her want you more. If you watch this video and implement these tricks religiously, there is no way that she won't drop the barriers. Also, if you'd like to be part of a game-changing giveaway, make sure to watch the entire video. Welcome to Ladies Love You, a channel that is all about providing you with the most essential tips related to dating and equipping you with the skills that will enable you to be a champ at the game of love. Before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified when we release new videos. So, let's start with number 10. Self-confidence is the key. If you want to get some attention and make your crush actually want you, get yourself some confidence first. There's a very fine line between being confident and being overconfident. You wouldn't want her to feel as if you're being overconfident. Be sure of what you want. You want her to realize that you own everything you do and that you aren't a coward who cares about what people think. Number 9, establish a trustworthy relationship. Make sure that she finds you trustworthy and safe to be with. Women love men that are easy to talk to, are trustworthy, and with whom they feel comfortable sharing teeny tiny details of their lives. If you're trusted in a girl's eyes, then you're bound to be more attractive. A trustworthy man is an attractive man and is irresistible to women. Number 8, go ahead and flirt. While flirting can be attractive, it sure can be creepy and unwelcome if you don't do it in the right way. The key is to flirt in a subtle manner, where the purpose is to invite her to open herself up for intimacy. Thoughtless flirting is a big no, because it won't get you anywhere. You need to be genuine and make her feel special. Now that's attractive. Remember, men who know how to flirt are the hottest, and if you want to fall into that category, work on your flirting skills. Number 7, give her some space. One of the most important things to understand is not to get all up in her grill. Give her some time to miss you, miss spending time with you, and crave that special time. Trying to spend too much time with her may turn her off. Make sure that you're reading the signals she's giving, because she will definitely let you know when she wants more time with you. This also means giving her some space on social media. Let her come to you. Play it low-key and hard to get. Number 6, be the guy for her. Make sure you are the one who she calls first whenever she has good or bad news. Remember, if she calls you before anyone else to confide in and tells you about her latest news, you're it. You must be her escape, the only person she would want to tell her everything to. Be the safe guy. Build trust and put her at ease. This way, you'll be the only one who she'd want to be with. Number 5, drop hints when you want her. Intimacy can never work when it's only one-sided. The feelings have got to be mutual. One thing to always remember is that girls don't usually make the first move. So it should be you who drops hints from time to time that let her know you're interested. If she feels the same way for you, this will give her confidence about her feelings, and she will embrace her craving for you. Number 4, be a gentleman. A gentleman is the real deal, and you have to be one if you want her to want you. This goes beyond just having good manners. Simple gestures like treating her with respect, really listening to her when she talks to you, asking her about her day, and smiling when greeting her are some of the major turn-ons. You don't want to miss out on these. Number 3, text her. You don't have to overdo it, but considering how busy everyone's lives can be these days, you should text her at least once a day to make her feel important and show her that you care. It shows that you're taking the time from your busy routine just for her. Number 2, grow out some sexy scruff or a full-on beard. Let's face it, beards are sexy. Even if a man has an average-looking face, growing out a beard can easily increase his attractiveness. If you can grow a great beard, make sure that you keep it groomed nicely and don't let it get out of control. I gotta tell you though, if you can only grow a patchy beard or a neck beard, please don't do it. A weak or scraggly beard is not sexy and will most likely repel the ladies. If this is the case, then settle for some stubble, because stubble can be super hot as well. Number 1, tell her how you feel. Guys who aren't afraid to express their true feelings are attractive to women. Before you tell her how you feel, make sure that you have thought about how you're going to communicate your feelings. Be careful that you don't come off as desperate or lonely, because it's all in how you relay your message. Make sure that the time is right and don't tell her via text or email. Do it in person. Getting a girl isn't that tough. Believe in yourself and be the gentleman that she deserves. All you have to do is watch this video and practice the tips religiously and make sure that you have good intentions. Go and shine in the moment with these tips and tricks because you deserve it. Be sure to click on the link in the description box below to receive your free game-changing giveaway. Thanks for watching.